meshing of shear walls is also necessary. Now, if you can see, if you design this structure as per this meshing results, and you start designing the foundation of this lift. Now,
Yes, sir.
Etabs will report this point load, this 4 corner point loads. Okay? But when you will design the foundation for this lift, then this lift points will fail under punching shear. What software
Exactly.
will understand is that the entire load of this lift element of G+6 story are acting at these points.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, but in real practice, this entire wall is in
Uniformly.
contact with the raft foundation.
Exactly, sir.
This entire wall is in contact with the raft foundation. So to avoid this situation, you just have to mesh the walls correctly. Like if you
Fine,
get
sir.
many points, so meshing of shear walls is also important. And it is very easy to mesh shear walls. Okay, it's very
Yes,
easy
sir.
to mesh shear walls. We have talked about meshing of shear walls in advanced courses as well. For a practice,
Fine, sir.
just select object types, then you can select walls. Okay, and you want to physically divide shear walls, then just have to come edit cells, divide cells. Okay, you can do like 3 by 3 meshing. Here you can see.
Okay, sir. Sir, meshing is done, but there is no node is not coming.
Yes, node is
joint.
coming. Once you have done the meshing, then you have to apply the joint restraints. Here you can see. Okay, so you can apply like 3 by 3 mesh or 5 by 5 mesh as well. Now this shear foundation will not fail due to punching shear.